What's up, everyone? Today we are finding different methods, or really just like finding stuff and selling it to make more nuts. I only have one. I don't know if that's bad or good, but we can work with it. So one thing that's definitely big with this is the winter update. This might just be another winter update, one or that. But anyway, if you're watching this and you're good at editing videos, and you want to help me edit my videos, comment your Discord username in comments. I will DM you, and like if we have more than one, then I guess I'll see who's the best, who has better skills, and then they win. Whatever, they get to edit my videos because I am not good at editing. I cannot edit. That's why my videos haven't been the best on like sound effects and stuff because I can't edit. Okay, first method is this. So our first method, it might be the only one. It's just find items from the winter update and just keep selling them once they run out of ammo. Actually, I got someone that gave me that idea. I shouted him out in my other video. So let me go. Oh, shit. Why would I explode that guy? That guy was right there trying to kill me. I shouldn't have. No, because now, look, that's all the stuff I have. If I can rush back. Wait, let me put this over here. Let me put this over here. This is everything that I'm going to sell is over there. So, we just have to do it. Let's see if I get it. I'm dead. All we have to do is explode one thing and all the bombs explode. Grenade launcher? Oh no. Oh, that. Look. Oh shit. Hey! I thought that exploded though. What are you doing? Tweet. What was that? I'm gonna waste the ammo so I can sell it. I wish I had snipe pouches. Okay. So we got this pistol. I hate that guy. I wish I had side pouches. Wait, do I have? Oh, I have my stick. Wait, did I put that on my... I don't know where that went. But we're just gonna sell the gun. And... And sell... I don't even know what I'm saying, bro. I'm tweaking out. We're selling this, the gun, and the double rocket launcher. For Milwaukee, because I only have one. I kind of like only having one. I actually spent a bunch of time trying to get just one. It's pretty difficult, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, now we have 500 or 610 nuts. Section 11, actually. Now we need to go back. And go get more items to sell. So what I learned is that actually snowballs help you move more. So if you have like an open hand, just grab a snowball. It makes it so when you hit, you go. Yeah, it's kind of like, that's a tip. So if we can explode one thing, everything else explodes. Like all the bombs. That's why when I just did, oh, this is actually useful. Upgrade from the stick. Never mind. Get away from me, weirdo. Get away from me. Please don't start laughing. I hate it when you do that. How do you still see me? I might be dead here. Where do I go? Can't get me. Oh, well, he's gone. Oh, I should have gone right there. Where are you going? Why'd you stop? Hey, it's a new practice. Ooh, bullseye. Ugh. Take this. No! I hate all the monsters in the office. All monsters in the office are so annoying. I'm actually being dead serious. Karen's super annoying. The one guy's like, that guy's annoying too. All he does is laugh and chase me. Creep. He probably looks for little kids. Goodness, me. I can't get a weapon. He just follows me. Like it. I could sue. It's just a game. That's who I'm gonna kill. I'm gonna kill Mr. What is the guy from the office. If I can get over to him, or I don't know if they added it, make it so it resets anymore. Because I haven't done it. That will help later. I definitely want to kill this guy. I hate that laugh so much. It's probably worse than like a Pennywise laugh or something. Okay, now, ooh, this is where it gets good. You remember the ammo? That crap's impossible to hit. How much do you have? Let me go kill the mimic. I don't know what the mimic's doing here. I want that. Hopefully those two are dead. What are you doing, little girl? And guess what we got right there? I know I'm not gonna get that. Oh, I'm dead. Get away from me! Ah, that's a rock! I love it when he throws those, or it throws those, whatever the heck that thing is. Thanks for the pumpkin. I've never actually had a pumpkin. Isn't that the one thing you could buy? One set you could buy back then. That crap did not want to explode. I'm dead. How did I miss that? I'm pretty good with aiming with a shotgun, so it doesn't matter what hand it's on. That doesn't have any ammo. I was thinking about selling it, but like, I don't have the hands to do it. Please kill this. Die! I'm dead. Oh, that's a rock. Ah! Don't throw that at me. Bad boy. So now I'm selling the shotgun and this. And I don't have, I need to unlock side pouches. That's what I'm saving up for. Side pouches. I wonder if this does damage now. I mean, it's not setting me on fire, and the one thing sets me on fire, so I'm guessing it doesn't. They need to. It needs to be a weapon that you can unlock this skeleton. But it's also good for nuts, so they would have to nerf that. Oh, because you could literally buy it, or it would be the same. Oh, that's what you need to do. Selling something is the same nuts as buying the thing that you bought that you sold. You know what I'm trying to say? You get the same amount of nuts from selling the thing you bought as you bought. Like at the amount of nuts that you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, we got Another 1,381. Let's get another stick. And we can go. We're saving up our nuts this time. We are not buying a grappler this time. I'm doing pretty good. What? I was gonna say, where's... So we got a lot of boo-boo box over here. We can go ahead and grab this. And then grab it. I got this. This is great. You don't know how great this is. Oh my goodness. Oh. 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 Is that it? Oh. Oh. Goodbye. You suck. What you gonna throw at, little bro? That's what I thought. This is awesome. Oh my goodness. This is great. Wait, how much do you slide after you drop off? Oh, not that much. I'm dead. Oh. Exploded it! What is the odds? That's like some goofy like thing on the clock. Like the clock saved you or something. Okay, I don't need this anymore. Suck. I just evacuated all the monsters. I love. How am I not dead? Ugh! I'm dead. I'm dead. I jinxed it. I jinxed it. It's so cheesy. I love this thing. This is goofy. Whoa. No, no, Licky. Bro, you suck. What are you gonna throw at, little bro? You can't see me. This is awesome. I love making all the monsters mad because they can't come over here. Ow. What did you get? Get up. Oh. Whoa! I need to get a weapon and shoot him then. I can't get a weapon. I just hit that wall. I hate that. Anyway, I need to get a weapon. There's probably rocks everywhere, because... Me. Oh! Let's get the things that are gonna probably kill me. Boom, boom. I just killed myself. How'd that thing not die? Now the whole lake is freaking out. Me. Oh, shucks. Didn't mean to buy that. I did not mean to buy that. Actually, I'll take it because I spent my money on it. I'll probably take it on accident. Whee! Ewa, ewa. I need to break the present. So we can get it off. Oh, I just did it. That's so bad. You suck, bro. Now that there's no monsters in this present, and I'm dead. I hate some of these monsters so bad. They're just so creepy. How'd that not hit them? That box went flying. Should I go sell both these things? Wait, I need to substitute something out for that. I'm substitute this out for that. I have to have this. I have to have the egg. This is crazy. Oh, this is why I have the bag. Ariana grenade. And should we sell it? We're not gonna sell the sword. We're just gonna keep it. Ariana grenade. We're gonna keep it for like our weapon. And we also got a rocket launcher right here. You can pick up. I'm so heavy. We're gonna leave our sword right here. Oh, that lightened it up. My bag is full of stuff. I'm gonna be surprised if we don't make it over at least 5,000. Because I know the egg sells for like 2,000 and everything else. It's like... Come on, how much? Oh, only! Okay, I'm not gonna say only, that is a lot. 2,686. So we have 4,000 now. We are getting there. I'm telling you. Like, this winter update is for people who are broke. Including me. How wonderful. Because I actually used to not be broke. I used to have a whopping 2.5 million. Until, the flamethrower came out. I didn't know how much it was. I kept buying it. I'm like, why is my money going down? And I'm like, and I checked the price. And it's 20K. And too late, I'm already down all my money. So, like, it was a sad time. I need to grab this. Boom. Go out with a bang. I am dead. Come on, go. Wait. I wasn't. Oh, I'm dead. Please, Pete, I need this. Woo. That was close. Ariana grenade. I could put this in my bag too, check. Oh, the snowball helps a lot. I hate it. What did I get? Oh, I got a grenade. Ariana grenade. I'm just gonna drop this right here. We gotta go sell my stuff. What is that? It's my stick. quite heavy. This is an exercise. Come on, go, go, go. There you go. And it's this one. I knew it. I was saving that one for last because I knew it was that one. And we got 950 basically because I had that one nut. So, wait, if I could have thrown this in, it would have been. Yep. Anyway, this is where I'm going to end the video. Just remember, if you're a good editor, you want to help me edit my videos, comment down below your Discord username, and make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you have a great Sunday. Goodbye.